You should use it within about 48 hours. Mushrooms need to be stored quickly. You need to clean them in water with about 5% vinegar. You just need to dip them and of course remove any soil. With trumpet mushrooms there might be some little creatures inside, but that's okay. Most often you'll just find leaves. For longer preservation you can freeze them, clean them thoroughly. For large mushrooms it's better to cut them. Slices about 1 centimeter thick are more than enough. Blanch them for about 10 seconds in boiling water. Drain them and freeze them right away. They hardly lose any flavor and they stay a bit crunchy. The advantage is that there's no work to do afterwards. You can even let it thaw out. After that you can chop it up a bit or just put it straight into a hot pan so it sets. Because it's true that if you cook it at a low temperature, on the other hand, it will release too much liquid. Then there's also hot preservation. Sterilize for more than 90 minutes. In terms of taste, it's still the method we recommend the least. The small purple ones, like chanterelles for example, those have pretty distinctive shapes. The smaller they are, the better they go with vinegar. So wine vinegar, cider vinegar, or white vinegar if you prefer. Generally, you don't use just vinegar. Personally, I like to add a little bit of white wine, a few juniper berries, pepper or something else. Because vinegar is still very strong, it will replace a pickle or your usual condiment. You can dilute it with a little broth if it's too strong. It won't keep as long, but it'll taste better, because in the end vinegar just keeps on cooking. So yes, it will keep longer, but the longer you leave it in the jar, the softer the mushroom will become. The other method, which is also very interesting, is to prepare it in oil. For the mushroom, you just need to blanch it with vinegar, some water and a little bouquet garni. Then you dip your mushroom in there for 15 seconds. Drain them and then put them directly into a jar with warm oil that you've also flavored, for example with garlic. Fill the jar right up to the brim so that no mushrooms are sticking out above the edge. Seal it tightly. The jar will be a bit warm. Let it cool down gently at room temperature. That way it cooks slightly. And this way you can keep it for 3 or 4 months without any problem. And the big advantage of all this is that you can serve it directly. And as for the larger ones, dried porcini mushrooms are still excellent. Black trumpet mushrooms almost dry naturally because when you pick them, they're already half dried. We have a low temperature dehydrator which allows us to dry them for about 12 hours at 60 degrees. You can also do it in the oven with the mushrooms spread out well on a rack or on parchment paper. Don't stack them too much. Once the mushrooms are well dried, put them in very airtight containers and inside you can add a little bit of paper towel. Dried mushrooms can be stored for several months in the cupboard without any problem. When you rehydrate a mushroom, it's obvious that you should keep the rehydration liquid to use as a base for sauces. It will have the aroma of trumpet mushrooms, porcini and so on. And it's true that in a broth or something similar, it's really excellent.